fine inner layer protection. For the precise tooth surface and edges and corners of the gear, special anti-rust oil and plastic film are used for inner wrapping, which effectively isolates air moisture and prevents friction and bumps during transportation. Custom outer packaging box. Depending on the size and weight of the gear, use custom foam boxes for individual unit packaging. The internal positioning partition ensures that the product is fastened unchanged, fundamentally eliminating damage caused by shaking. Clear and efficient identification cards. Clear and standardized identification cards are fixed on the outside of each box. Product model, batch, quantity, quality inspector and other information are clear at a glance, providing great convenience. RIUGOR believes that standardized packaging conveys not only the product itself, but also a solemn commitment and careful protection of customer product delivery.